Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Dave, and today I will be explaining to you the topic about permutation. Okay, this is our first topic in third quarter. So since we're having asynchronous classes, I will be sending you this pre-recorded video. So if you are watching this, kindly take notes of things that we will be explaining. So have your pens, ball pens, and notebooks ready for your notes. Okay, let's start. Permutation. Okay, so please prepare your scientific calculator if you have, as it will be used in our discussion for this morning. So permutation is an arrangement of objects in definite order or ordered arrangement of distinguishable object without allowing repetitions among among the objects. So ano ang ibig sabihin nun? Yung permutation is arrangement siya. Okay? Pero dapat ang arrangement niya is definite ang order. Okay. Ordered arrangement of distinguishable object without allowing repetition. So walang nauulit dapat sa permutation. Okay, so hindi na natin i-answer itong preliminary task. I will just be sending this to you so you can try answering. Let's proceed to, because this test is supposed to be your diagnostic if you have ideas about, ano nga ito na symbol, this one is called, this one is called factorial. Yan siya. Factorial ang tawag sa kanya. Kung sa English ninyo, ang tawag dito ay um, exclamation point. In mathematics, this is called factorial. Okay? I'll explain factorial later. Okay. What is meant by n factorial? Yan siya. This is a very important part of our discussion. What is meant by n factorial? So n factorial simply means multiplying the numbers in descending order. For example, ito ang kanyang n factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3. So if your n factorial is 4 factorial, you just have to multiply 4. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So you just have to multiply 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So 4 factorial is 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. Then 24 times 1 is 24. So 4 factorial is equal to 24. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang siya. 4 factorial is equal to 24. Kasi 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Pero ang basis niya talaga is yung n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3. Okay, there are different types of permutation. So, we have the permutation of n objects, yung gawa natin sa factorial. The distinguishable permutation, yung permutation of n objects taken r at a time, and the circular permutation. Hindi ito madali. Okay, so for permutation of n objects, yan siya. Permutation of n objects and e is equal to n factorial. Yun lang siya. Ang gagawa natin kanina, that's the permutation of n objects. So the permutation of n objects is equal to n factorial. For example, this one. How many arrangements are there? Arranging different three portraits on a wall. Sino man ito? Kilala pero mga Korean actors. Okay, so ito siya. Ito siya, pwede siya na dito. Pwede din siya iuna dito. And then, ito naman siya, pwede dito, pwede din dito. Then, pwede, ah, ito siya, pwede dito, pwede dito. Okay? So, pwede na mauna itong naka-white, tapos sa second natin na arrangement, si ano na naman ang nauna, ito siya ang nauna, tapos sa third arrangement, ito siya ang nauna. So, in arranging different three portraits, you can just say 3 factorial. And 3 factorial is equal to 3 times n minus 1 times n minus 2. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 6 because 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 1 is 6. So, 3 factorial is equal to 6 siya. Paano ba ito i-delete? Erase muna natin. Okay, next. Okay, this is an example, another example. Arranging 4 persons in a row for a picture taking. Upat mo. Apat kayo magkaklase, tapos gusto niyo iba-iba ang inyong posisyon. So you can arrange yourself in 4 factorial. 4 factorial is equal to 24. So you can arrange 4 persons in a row for a picture taking into 24. 20, 24 pictures din ang ikuha ninyo para iba-iba kayo ng posisyon. Every picture. Pwede yon. Arranging 5 different figurines in shelf. So 5 factorial is 120. So kung bored ka sa life mo, tapos gusto mo i-arrange ang inyong figurines sa shelf na different, everyday different. So everyday different arrangement. So 5 factorial is equal to 120 arrangement. Then arranging 6 different potted plants in a row, that's 6 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 720. Then when you arrange the digits of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, ilang numbers meron tayo? Wala mang nag-uulit-ulit dyan, so that's still permutation. Since walang nauulit. And then, ilang numbers meron? 9. So 9 factorial, 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 362,880. Okay, so if you're bored and then you arrange that number, try lang. If you arrange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 without repetition, the answer is 362,880 arrangement. Okay? Arranging the letters of the word chairwoman. So, ilang letters ito? CHA, that's 3. IRW, another 3. WOME, OME, that's another 3. That's 9 plus N, that's 10. May nauulit ba na letters? Wala naman. So, we have 10 factorial. 10 factorial is equal to 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 3,628,800. Okay, so yung 10 factorial natin, yung chairwoman, pwede nating i-arrange ang kanyang letters into 3,628,800 arrangement. Now, for distinguishable permutations, ito yung may mga nauulit or identical na objects. So, if it's a number, nauulit na numbers. If it's a word, may mga letters na nauulit and you want to arrange it. So, the distinguishable permutation has its formula for that. Okay, so there are repeated or identical objects in a set. So take note, the formula for taking the P for permutation of numbers or objects that are repeated or identical is P equals N factorial divided by P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial. Ano itong P, Q, R? Ito yung mga For example, this one. Yung PQR, yan yung mga nauulit na mga words. Kung ilan ang nauulit na words. Okay, or letters pala, sorry. For example, how many arrangement are there? Okay, we can arranging the digits in the number 0, 9, 7. Ito, pwede natin itong i-ano. Yan. 0, 9, 7, 7, 8, 2, 10, 2, 2, 9. So, ilan ang mga nauulit na no? We have 7. Ilang 7 meron tayo? Dalawa. Ilang 9 ang meron tayo? Dalawa. Si 0, naulit ba? Yes, naulit si 0. Ilan? 1, 2. So, dalawa din ang 0. Yung 8, naulit ba? Hindi. Yung 2, naulit? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So, tatlo ang ating 2. Ayan siya. So, ilang numbers ang naulit natin? We have 7, 9, 0, and 2. So, apat na ano din ang meron tayo dito sa baba. Okay? So, dalawang 7, dalawang 9, dalawang 0, at tatlong 2. Ilan lahat ang ating uh, how many numbers do we have in total? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have our n. Our n is equal to 11. Our p, q, r, abot pa tayo ng s kasi apat na yan sila. There are 4 of them. So for p, we have 2, 2 for Q, 2 for R, and then 3 for S. Ayan siya. So, since ang formula natin ng distinguishable permutation is P is equal to N factorial divided by P factorial, Q factorial, R factorial, ayan siya, and then so on. Ayan. So, substitute lang natin sa ating formula. Our n is 11, so we have 11 factorial. Let me erase this one first. We have 11 factorial divided by, ayun siya, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and 3 factorial. Since magkakatabi yan sila, it means they are multiplied. Okay, so 11 factorial is, pwede natin siyang, yun siya. 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 3 factorial. Ilan ba ang 2 factorial? 2. 2 factorial is 2. So this is 2 times 2 times 2. And then 3 factorial is 6. So times 6. Ito siya, meron tayong 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. Ayan na. Stop tayo sa 3 factorial. Kasi pwede natin itong i-eliminate. Remember, pag mayroon tayong 3 factorial dito sa ilalim, tanggalin natin si 10 6 dito. Meron tayong 3 factorial dito sa ilalim. So, we can eliminate 3 factorial. Ayan siya. Crush out natin si 3 factorial. So, may iwan na lang is si 2 times 2 times 2 and then 10 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. Okay, so solve natin yun siya. Saan na ba ang aking calculator? Ito. So 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 is 6 million. Imagine mo yun, ang taas. 6,652,800. Tapos, i-divide natin siya sa 2 times 2. That's 4 times 2, 8. Divide 8. So, the answer is 831,000 and just 600. Okay? Naano lang ito sa PowerPoint. So, the answer is 831,600. Next, ito. Drawing one by one and arranging in a row 4 identical blue, 5 identical yellow, and 3 identical red balls in a bag. So, again, 4 identical blue, 5 identical yellow, and 3 identical red balls. So, yun na ang ating given dito sa baba. Ang ating PQR is now the, anong ning move man ni siya? Pamang ko na ingon ng move. Ayun. So, ang atin dito sa baba, since meron na tayo, 4 identical blue, 5 identical yellow, and 3 identical red balls. Ilan sila lahat? 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3, that's 12. So, our N here is equal to 12. And, ang nipis naman, tara naman ito. N is equal to 12. Kasi 4 plus 5 plus 3 is 12. And then, our P is 3, Q is 4, and then 5. Naka-ascending order lang ang kanyang numbers, pero pwede din siyang 4. Since nauna si 4, 4 factorial times 3 factorial, then 5 factorial. Pwede din ganyan. Okay? So, 12 factorial can be rewritten to, tingnan ninyo kung ano ang pinakamalaking factorial dito sa baba. Tapos, doon tayo mag-stop sa ating multiplication para ma-cancel natin siya. For example, 12 factorial. So, 5 man ang pinakamalaki sa baba. So, let's stop sa 5 factorial. 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 then times 5 factorial. Ayan, stop tayo sa 5 factorial. So, ang kasunod niyan, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 naman. Then, i-cancel natin siya. Cancel or brush out. Kung anong tawag niyo dyan. Basta pwede yan siya. So, 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial is 1. Okay, so meron na tayong 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. So, ang naiwan dito sa baba is 3 factorial and 4 factorial. So, multiply na natin. 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. 6 tayo nag-stop. And that is 3,991,680. Ayan siya. Saan ba ang camera? 3,991,680. Okay, remember natin yan siya. And then, 3, ito, ano din natin, expand natin si 3 factorial. Pwede na natin i-answer siya diretso. 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. And, bakit siya na-cancel? 6. Ayan. Pwede different color. Pink para nice. 6 times, what is 4 factorial? 4 times 3 is 4 times 3 is 12 times 2, 24 times 1, 24 pa din. So, 6 times 24. Ayun. What is 6 times 24? 6 times 24 is 144. So, 144. Yun siya ang i-divide natin sa 3,991. 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 3,991,680 divided by 144 is 27,000. Tama ang ating nas ano? 27,720. Yan siya. Okay. Erase muna natin ito. Stop, stop. Erase. Paano ba ito i-erase lahat? Okay. Ay, may hindi pa na-erase. Ayun siya. Same lang din. Yung sa how many arrangement are there. Try nyo lang. Then, we have the permutation of the n objects taken R. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Permutation of n taken R at a time when n is greater than or equal to R. For example, this one. You have to choose 3 posters to hang on a wall from 5 posters you are keeping. Ibig sabihin, mamimili ka ng 3 poster na gusto mo idikit sa wall mo kasi idol mo ang Voltes 5. And then, you have the choices of 5. So, may choices ka na 5 poster. Pero kailangan 3 lang ang iyong pipiliin kasi marami man masyado ang 5. Hindi siya magkasya sa iyong wall. So, what you're going to do is, we have now the NPR. So, if you have the calculator, you can just directly type the NPR. Okay, but since let's practice solving it manually para alam natin ang idea behind it. So, we have the formula. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Ilan daw yung n natin? Ilang poster meron lahat? 5. So we have 5 factorial as your n. And then divided by, since tatlo lang man ang ating kukunin, we will have to minus, subtract. 5 minus 3, then factorial. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So anong gagawin natin dyan? We just have to, ayun naman, 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So, we will proceed to solving it through 5 times, expand natin si 5 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 factorial. Ayan siya. Para ma-cancel out natin si 2 factorial din sa denominator natin. So, we now have 5 times 4 times 3. Okay, and 5 times 4 times 3, 5 times 4 is 20 times 3, that's 60. Anong magbulag dyan na sila? 60. 60 yan sila. 60. Ayan. Okay? So, the notation 5p3 is for this. 5 ang ating n. Permutation 3 ang ating pipiliin for our n minus for our r. So, we can just have for calculator, if you have calculator, you can have 5, shift the NPR, merong NPR sign dyan, and then click 3. Then equals. It will automatically say 60. And I guess that's the end for this topic muna. We will have further explanation and activities regarding this one. So study well. I hope you learned something from this video and this lesson. Thank you so much and stay safe. God bless us all. How do I end this?